We're going to cover eccentric strength training for the knee. This is a pretty cool exercise. This is what sports medicine loves to show for damaged knee tendons. We covered the damaged knee tendons in the last video and the ligaments in around the kneecap. Those are all those little bits and pieces that you guys have pain going up and down stairs. So we're going to go through what we call gym ball wall squats or gym ball eccentric strength training. So use a gym ball, or you can use a basketball or a soccer ball. Any ball really works. If you don't have a ball, you're at a hotel room, you're out on vacation, and you really want to do your exercises and make your chiropractor happy, then use the wall. All right, get the ball in the small of your back. Get your knee, your feet basically shoulder width apart. Your knees should have a slight amount of bend to start. We never lock out the knees. Why don't we lock out the knees?
You know what? Because they can't handle it.
Exactly. You're going to crush the cartilage and you guys just can't handle it. So keep a little bit of knee bend in the actual knee and you guys are going to be good to go. So when you do this exercise, you end up, there's two variations we're going to cover. The first is what we call a drop squat. You just let your body drop out and then you catch. What the research shows is the pressure in the drop squat as you come down isn't on the muscle, it's on the tendons. As you do this, the tendon gets a tensile or a tug to it, and it ends up causing a slight amount of micro irritation. Blood rushes to the area, and subsequently the tendon regenerates. There's some studies to show that 3 sets, 12 reps of doing this daily for about 12 weeks will regenerate your tendon without doing any other therapy whatsoever. That is a drop squat. That is a dual leg drop squat. When that gets easy and you've done your 3rd set, your 12th rep, and you're asking me like, why is Dr. Rob showing me these simple exercises? I'm used to doing 300 pound in the gym. Go to single leg squats. And basically, first, foremost, we want you to support your body with the other leg. Just take most of the pressure off of it and then drop out. Same thing, he's got about 60, 70, 80, or 90% of the weight in this leg. You're feeling really confident, take the entire other foot off the floor and just drop out and get into it like that. 3 sets, 12 reps, and you guys are going to be happy. That is a drop squat. If you want a little bit more of a challenge, we do what?
We do the eccentric, so the elongated eccentric squat.
Yeah, we slow it down a little bit. This is where it's really interesting. You can really feel the pressure in the knees. You drop down really slow. It could take you 5 to 10 seconds to get to the bottom. You don't have to go much further than 90 degrees because your knees are going to probably blow up. And like the young man said, you're not going to be able to handle it. Nice and slow. Once again, this is a way to start off and actually just regenerate those tendons. 3 sets, 12 reps, done.
Yeah, every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
Do it every day for the rest of your life, and you guys are going to have happy and healthy knees. And
they need the strength.
Yeah, right? You guys need the strength. So there's kind of a dual portion with this. You get to rebuild the tendons through some regenerative eccentric strength training, and your quads are going to get a great workout, and they're going to prepare you for those long hikes that we know you guys want to do.
Yeah.
All right, man. We're up from here.
Okay.